Hello everybody, Belinda here, and welcome back. Believe it or not, this is going to be my third attempt to do this pour. So, just move this over a little bit. I'm going to layer my paints very quickly. I'm just hoping that my paints are not too thick. This white seems to be pretty thick. So I'm using a 12 by 16 inch canvas. It was very, very thick. And magenta. So I'm still trying to get this ethereal passage right. Although I must say, you know, the ones that I have done so far, I quite like them. I thought that they came out really nicely, different. That was the Prussian blue and gold. I think maybe I haven't been using enough gold. So again with quite a bit of gold. White. Actually, maybe I need more white, just a bit. And Prussian blue. A little bit of white. Turquoise. And my turquoise is a bit thin, so I'm hoping it's not going to sink. And more Prussian blue. This seems like a lot of paint for this tiny canvas. A little bit more white. Magenta. A little more white. And more gold. And Prussian blue. This is too much paint. Turquoise and then a little bit of white. Alright guys, this is far too much paint. I don't like wasting paint. Let's spread that around. And let's go. Hold my breath when I do that. It's looking a bit better. I'm going to have to see if I can maintain this. Alright, so let's tilt. There's some beautiful things going on here. These colours are just phenomenal. Now I wish I had done it on a bigger canvas. Oh dear. Okay, let's put some white around this bad boy. Well, actually, let's use this first. Then we'll use some white. So I've mixed my colours exactly the same, all my paints, as in my previous videos. If you want to see how, then please go and have a look. Alright, so there's all these beautiful cells happening here, and that's from the cup. I don't think that it matters what colour the base is, right? It's going to come off anyway. Just get this down quick. Just bringing it back to the center. I might actually don't really want to lose what I've got on the top or the bottom really. Sorry guys if you're off screen, I'm trying to keep you on. I'm just gonna go, actually I have a little doodad. Okay, it's make a decision. Turn this around so you guys can see better. Sorry guys, I'm just bringing the paint back to the center. So I would really like to stretch that center part out, but yeah, I'm a little concerned that I might lose something. I love what's going on. I just want this to be slightly at an angle, I think. Beautiful. Okay guys, I'm going to just touch up the sides. I'll give it one more torch and then I'll touch up the sides and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. So I'm really loving all of this here with this magenta running through. I think that's absolutely gorgeous. And these that look like big boulders. And there's some more of the magenta. That's really beautiful. And the rippling effect over here. And looky there. I am really pleased with the way that this has turned out. I actually feel as though I finally got it. Look at that in the sand. In the sand there, those lines over there look so cool. Guys, I would say that finally I've done it. I think that was a great success. Well, thanks guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, bye.